How to find parking spots using Google Maps. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. It works on iPhone, Android, Samsung or any mobile device. For that we'll simply click on Maps. Once we click here you guys will simply see that type of interface. So for finding parking spot we will simply search here near parking near me. Like you guys will see near parking area or near parking me, so simply select one. After that wait for some seconds. Now here you guys will see a lot of options, so simply select the one that you was near to you, and that's it. Like for example I want to go here, so simply click on that parking. And once you click here you guys will see direction, so simply click on direction and you will go to that parking. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.